Just Corey Hewitt over there. He's trying to figure out what he's gonna wear. It's my homeboy Devin. I'm not. I'm outside. I'm inside of my hotel. And, oh, sorry people. Sorry people. This is the view from my room, from my balcony. As you can see, you can barely really see anything. You can see my fingers. And you see like little people walking and everything. And then it's actually a pretty nice hotel. I'm in Myrtle Beach. As you can see like little lights and everything. See the stars, Milky Way, the pier. Right below me is my hotel's outdoor pool and little kiddie area. That's it.